Hey friends and family, I'm sitting here with Dave from New American Funding, and today we're going to talk about a listing that's a duplex that we have over in Minneapolis. And I'm going to have Dave drop some numbers for us, but we're going to talk about a few things. One, how you house hack, and two, how you can take advantage of the down payment assistance to your advantage. And with that being said, Dave, show us the numbers.
There we go. So it's super rare that we have a duplex that comes in that's under $300,000, but Cedric has one that just hit the market.
Yep.
And so what I want to do is just show what a typical buyer would come in and do. They'd purchase the place. The place is listed at $290,000. They'd put about $10,000 down, and that would equate to a payment that's about $2,500 or a little bit less per month. And so the cool thing about having a duplex is you can rent the other side of it, or in this case, the upstairs unit or the downstairs unit. And the projected rent is about $1,500. So the difference between the two payments is what you got to cover. So you can get into a house and cover the other $1,000. And that's how you house hack. You get somebody else to pay a big percentage of your mortgage. But if you qualify for some of these down payment assistance programs, specifically if your parents haven't ever owned a house, or there's some programs specific to Minneapolis, there's over $50,000 potentially available towards a $290,000 house. So if we take advantage of the right down payment assistance program, we can get you into the house for as little as $1,000 out of your pocket. $1,000 out of your pocket. And because we're using this money to at a 0% loan, what ends up happening is the mortgage payment only ends up being a little under $2,200 per month. And after you factor in the projected rent on the other unit, that means your portion would be $675. And so it's a great opportunity to house hack. What it means is getting somebody else to cover your mortgage payment, or so you have a more affordable living situation. And we combine that with some of the big down payment assistance programs specifically available in Minneapolis right now.
Wow. Guys, $675, you can't beat that. I don't think you can live anywhere. I don't think you can even rent a spot for that, a garage.
Plus you're building equity.
And plus you're building equity.
Right.
Oh,
Plus
wow.
you're building equity.
So guys, if y'all guys have anybody that y'all know that can be interested in something like this, please reach out to me whenever y'all guys get a chance, and we'll love to help.
Sounds good.